Howdy, my name is Arnaldo Rodriguez, and my project is the RFID reader. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about how hotel key works? Well, hopefully this project will give you the answer to that. This project starts off by creating a magnetic field, and then we get a card with a EMF circuit in it, where then we put the EMF circuit into the magnetic field, which then induces a current that enables a small chip within the card to output the data that it has within it. This is the circuit design that we have for this project. As you can see, we have a lot of components, some diodes, resistors, transistors, and much more. This is the code that we use to program the device. And as you can see, it's written in Arduino. And now this is the part that most people get confused. The difference between RFID and NFC. RFID is just reading the card and there's no background security to it. So therefore, when the card comes in contact with a magnetic field, it automatically outputs all the data it has within it. But for NFC, whenever a card comes in contact with a magnetic field, the card will require a password in order to output its data. And that is how hotel keys work differently than credit cards. Now, if we take a look at the circuit, we can see right here that we have a node MCU, which is with the microcontroller. And then here we have the sensor, which also creates the magnetic field. Now, here are the chips that have the EMF circuit within it. And if we take a chip and put it within the magnetic field, we can see that it outputs a certain condensed binary code, which serves as its identification code, saying that it is the card that it is. And as you can see, it changes for each card. And this code you could put in a database, which then you can give access to certain things. And that's how ID cards work. And now if we take a look over here, we will be able to see that if we give a card, the code here will change by using a Java. Basically creates a database that holds the IDs for each card. So if we transition or change each card, then we will be able to see that this right here will change. Through connecting through a main database, we're able to understand and go deeper into the concept of IoT. Now, for our upcoming project next year, we will want to create a unique identification for each card. So we would have to create an RFID writer.